Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on high quality image uploads when you use only Wi-Fi on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click accessibility display in languages and now click data usage. Here as you see you will find it here, high quality image uploads. Just click on it like this and click Wi-Fi only and it will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.